Hi, Gracie. Oh, what's your background, Julian?
Thank you.
We'll wait for a couple of others to join us. Natalie and Minzo, can you hear me?
Yes, I can hear you.
All right. Grace, how was the homework?
근데 왜 숙제가 보이지도 않고 저희 그레이시는 숙제가 보이지도 않고 어디 있는지도 모르겠고. 저 들려요?
네네.
저 그레이시 엄마인데요.
아, 네.
숙제를 안 했어요. 숙제를 못 했어요.
뭐가 없나요?
그러니까 지금 프린터가 안 되는데 프린터도 안 돼요. 근데 이제 될 거예요. 근데 어쨌든 저는 숙제 링크가 안 보여요. 어디 있는 거예요?
그 카톡 그룹 챗에 올라가면은 PDF 파일로 보내드리는데.
너말 못해?
Hi, Someone and Josephine.
What?
I just said hi.
Oh, hi. I wasn't able to do my homework, but so can I just do on like Thursday?
Hi.
So, if you haven't done it, you can do it as you go along, as I go over it.
Just do it as we're do it like while you're doing the lesson.
Yeah, because we'll start with the homework.
Okay. How do I get to the textbook?
Oh wait, were you not able to get to it either?
Yeah.
Okay. I did in the group chat with me and your parents.
Can I do the same as Josephine?
Yeah.
Okay, because I kind of forgot to do my homework too because I was busy and catching up with homework for school.
That's fine.
So are you just gonna send it to Comcast or?
Through like Kakao.
Okay. So should I doing while you're teaching?
Yeah, so while I go over the homework, if you haven't done it, you can just do it and copy it.
Okay.
Mind up staying overtime.
What's that?
Do you actually mind us staying over? I finished my homework in time.
Good. Good.
The audio's horrible right now.
Oh, you can't hear me? Can you hear me?
I can hear you guys, but it's just so hard to hear it because there's like a lot of background noise going on.
Okay, so everyone, let's open your notebook. If you haven't, if you weren't here or you just couldn't do the homework for whatever reason, you can just do it as I go along and I go over each question. Okay. So number one, 아이스크림과 케이크가. Does anyone have the answer to this one?
Raise your hand if you think kimchi is spicy.
Natalie, you want to try it?
Well, I can't really hear you.
Oh, you can't?
Do
1 second.
Raise your hand if you think tteokbokki is spicy.
Can you hear me now?
Yes, way better.
Okay. Wait 1 second. All right. So yeah, so this was the homework, this page 12 and the next page. So does anyone know the answer to number 1? 아이스크림과 케이크가. Oh, okay. Yeah, go ahead. Julian?
Yeah. Sorry, I couldn't hear you. Your sound was like glitching before.
Oh, wait, you can't hear me?
So there's this one point where it was glitching, but it's better now.
Oh, okay. So do you happen to have, do you want to try number 1 for us of the homework?
It's the answer is 달다.
달다? That's good. And that, what does that mean?
Sweet.
Sweet. That's it. Good job. Okay, once again, if you don't have the homework, this is the time to just go do it as we go along, okay? Number 2, 레몬이. Anyone want to do number 2? Okay, go ahead, Julian.
It's shida.
시다, which means
Sour.
sour. Very good. Okay, so you look like you're doing well. Okay, I'm gonna ask someone other than Julian for number 3. 떡볶이와 김치가. Josh, you wanna try this one? Number 3.
떡볶 떡볶이과 김치가 매워요. I would go for not spicy, but my dad told me to say it's spicy.
Okay. So
It's not
for
really
you.
that spicy. I have a lot in the fridge.
Right. Okay, that's good though. That's good job. All right. Anyone want to try number 4? Josephine or Natalie, one of you want to do it?
I'll try.
Okay. Go ahead.
Mhm.
You can use vocab from last week too. That should help.
Okay.
커피가.
Mm.
Can you guess what coffee is?
Coffee?
Yep, that's it.
Toyota?
커피가 달다. Yeah? Is that what you were going for?
Yeah.
Okay, good. And what does 달다 mean?
Bitter?
Oh, so bitter is actually something different.
Okay.
Wait, so what do you have 달다 for bitter?
Oh no, soda?
쓰다. Very good. And that is bitter. Good job. Okay, who wants to do the last one for this? Julian, go ahead.
So the last question.
Yep, number 5. And if you could read the whole sentence, that would be great.
소금이 is Jabda.
소금이 짜다. Yep. And 소금 is salt. So salt is salty.
Like in the name.
Yep, that's it. All right, good job. So that one was basically a review of the vocab. All right, we'll move on to the next. Okay, so this one was the harder part of the homework. Number 1, 동생은 노래를 잘 불러요. Does anyone know what that means? So this right here, 동생은 노래를 잘 불러요. Josephine?
My sibling is a good singer.
Good. So what would be the answer to this number 1? Remember what we did last week? So for example, it says my 아버지는 음식을 잘 만들어요, which means my dad cooks well. So given that, you have to say my dad is a good cook, or my dad is like a chef. Do you remember that, Josephine? Yeah? Okay, so if your sibling is good at singing, what would you want to say?
She is like a singer in Korean.
Yeah, she is like a singer. Okay, so we'll write that. And do you remember how to say that?
I'll try.
Yeah, you can try. It's okay. You can look back on your notes too.
Okay. How do you say singer in Korean?
Oh, so it's right here. This word here, 가수.
동생은
동생은
how do you say
가수.
가수
Okay, and then the ending.
같아요.
같아요. Yep. Okay, that's good. That's perfect. So, and everyone, I want you to write this down, okay? 동생은 가수 같아요. So, 같아요 means is like. 동생 is sibling. And 가수 is singer. Natalie, you think you got that? Yeah. Julian, how are you did you understand that or still a little confused?
Understand.
Yeah? How'd you do on this part of the homework?
I didn't get to finish that part.
Okay, it's okay. Okay, so everyone, I want you to, before we go on to number 2, write this down. So the parentheses is the parts that change. So yeah, just write these 2 sentences down. Plus this example. So whenever we're doing questions like this, we can use this template. So for example, for number 2, 오빠는 농구를 잘해요. So all you do is put 오빠. 오빠 would go here, and then 농구 선수 would go here. You want to try number 2? Natalie or Julian, Josh? Anyone? Josh, you want to try? Oh, Josephine?
Sure.
오빠는 good.
How do you say basketball player?
So that's the word right here.
Okay. 농구
선수. Yep.
같아요.
That's it. Good job. 농구 선수 같아요. Yeah. Julian, do you want to try the last one?
Okay.
All right, give it your best shot. First, let's read the question. Let's read what it says.
우리
Mhm.
할아버지는
Good.
아주
Wall.
무서워요.
우리 할아버지는 아주 무서워요. Do you know what that means?
No, I don't.
That means my grandfather is very scary. So with that, we want to say my grandfather is like a tiger. And tiger is in Korean is written right there. So how would you say my grandfather is like a tiger? So to give you a hint, this is my grandfather would go here.
Mhm.
And this tiger, 호랑이, would go here.
우리 할아버지는
Good.
let me zoom in. 호랑이
호랑이. What was that last part?
같아요?
같아요. That's it. Great job, Julia.
Thank you.
Okay, so we'll now move on. Does everyone have all this written down? No? Okay, let's go ahead and do that. So if you have any questions regarding this, you please ask now. Otherwise, we'll move on. Everyone got all this down now? Not yet? Okay, cool. Okay. Oh, shoot. All right, so this is, oh, not that. This is our new vocab for today. Let's all turn to the page where we have our vocabulary and add these 9. So the theme of this week's vocab is leisure activity.
What does leisure mean?
What's that?
What does leisure?
So that's leisure is what you do for fun and
Oh.
during spare time. Yep.
Is it just me or did it get quiet all of a sudden?
Yeah, because you're supposed to write these down. Are you finished with that, Josh?
I could just remember in my head.
Oh no,
43
please. Please write them down for me.
Got 5 hours.
What's that?
I got a 5-hour break now. Yay.
5-hour break. We've only been going for 20 minutes.
26 minutes.
Let's try to at least get the top 5, okay?
Mr. Manuel,
Yes.
I can't see the bottom.
Oh, you can't. Is it too small?
Yeah.
Okay. How about that?
Okay, that's better. Thank you.
Wait, let me make it a little less.
Wait, I think you scrolled up a bit.
Is that better?
Yeah, that right there is good.
Let me know when everyone's done with this. Oh, Natalie, you're finished? Okay, Grace. Good job.
Done.
All right. Cool. Good job.
Also done.
Anyone not Josephine, you finished? Minza, are you finished? Okay, nice. All right, so we'll go over them. All right, everyone, please turn on your mics. I'm gonna ask each one of you to read one. So let's start with Josephine. But I can't hear you for some reason.
Which one do I do?
Oh, so the one that I'm pointing to with my mouse.
So do go hiking.
Mm-hmm.
그 난
등산하다. 등산하다, good. Okay, Joshua, let's do to go fishing.
No, I don't go fishing.
Can you read it, please?
수영하다.
Let's say that again. Sorry, I'm having trouble hearing you.
수영하다.
No, that's to swim. Can we do to go fishing?
Oh, fishing.
Yes.
낚시하다.
낚시하다. Good. Natalie, to swim.
Swim. 수영하다.
수영하다. Good. Julian, can you read to go camping, please?
To go camping?
Yes, please. In Korean.
Camping?
캠핑하다. Can you say it one more time?
하다.
Good. Very good. Thank you. All right. Grace, can you read to go on a picnic? I'll zoom in a little bit for you. So it's I can't seem to hear you, Grace. Sorry. But it is 소풍을 가다. Okay. Minsa, can you read museum, please? Minsa, are you there?
Yes.
Can you read museum for us, please?
박물관.
박물관, yes, perfect. All right, we'll start at the top again. Josephine, can you read the theater? Wait, sorry, I muted you by accident. Go ahead, theater. 영화관, yes. All right, Natalie, the art museum, please.
Mr. Guan.
Yep, that's it. Good. And Julian, can you read our last one, aquarium, for us?
Uh, Suzhou Guan.
Mm-hmm. 수족관. Good job. Okay, so that is our vocabulary. Okay, so this question. Josephine and Natalie, I think you might recognize this. So this is how you say you want to do something. Everyone, please write this down on your paper, please. One second. So for example, if you were to go hiking, you want to say, I want to go hiking. All you would do is take this 등산하다 and change it to fit this form. So 저는, which means I, 등산 하고 싶어요. So you change the 하다 to go and ended with 싶어요. Yeah, Josephine?
What if it's in my notes already?
Then you don't necessarily need this, but you might want to write down the example just for your homework, because this has a little bit to do with your homework. So just a heads up, this is very similar to what you'll have to do for homework using these vocabulary. Also, if you want to say, I want to go to a place, say, you'd say, 저는, name the place, say, 가고 싶어요. So for example, if you were to use museum, you would say, I want to go to the museum. 저는 박물관 가고 싶어요. Does that make sense, Julian?
Yeah.
Yeah? Awesome. Josh and Grace, you guys think you got this? Yeah? All right.
Hi.
Just make sure you guys have it written down so you can use it for your homework, okay? Minso, are you good with this? Do you remember doing this?
Yes.
Yes, good. Everyone got this down? Or you still need a minute? Okay, Josephine, good. If you need more time, could you maybe send it to the chat? Let me know if you need more time. So I'm gonna take that as everyone's finished. Okay. All right, go ahead. Julian, are you finished writing this down?
Yes.
Okay, so while we're waiting, I'm gonna ask a couple of you some questions to go over this. So first, Julian, if I told you to say, I want to go on a picnic, how would you say that in Korean, please? Any idea, Julian?
I don't know.
You don't know? Okay, why don't we go over it together? So you can use the example as your guide. So I want to go to picnic. So we know this is 소풍을 가다 is to go on a picnic. And 저는, so you always start with 저는 if you're talking about I. So 저는 소풍을 가고 싶어요.
Oh, so
저는
저는
소풍을
은, 을, 을,
을,
을,
and this part here.
가고, 십, 요.
Correct. All right, you want to try, can we try one more? About, I want to go to the theater. So just fill in the blank with the place, which in this case is the theater.
가는,
저는,
yeah, sorry. 저는 영화,
영화,
I'm not sure about the next one.
영화관,
관,
가고
가고
싶어요.
싶어요.
Good. That's perfect. Do you have a better idea now? A little bit? Or still confusing? Josephine, do you want to try one?
Sure.
Okay. How would you say I want to go fishing?
저는 낚시하다
낚시?
낚시 가고 싶어요.
Okay, good. Natalie, can I give you one?
Sure.
Okay, let's do I want to go camping.
저는 캠핑
Almost there.
가고 싶어요.
가고 싶어요. Yeah, good. 민서?
Yes.
Okay, I'm gonna give you one, okay? So please tell me how you would say, I want to go to the aquarium.
저는 수족관 가고 싶어요.
Correct. Very good. All right, Josh, can you tell me how you would say, I want to go to the museum? Josh? All right, you're saved by the bell since we no longer have time. Okay, so the homework is to, actually here, let me share the screen again. Okay, so to take these vocabulary and just as we did out loud, write sentences saying, I want to go hiking, I want to go fishing, I want to go swimming, etc., for each vocabulary, okay?
Wait, what again?
So just like we just did out loud, I want you to write down sentences saying, I want to go hiking, I want to go fishing, I want to go swimming, and etc., for each of these words, okay? And then I want you to do number 1.
Do number 1?
Yeah, so this is Unit 3, page 16.
I don't have the text.
So I actually sent it in the group chat with your parents. I'll resend it. But yeah, so just remember Unit 3, page 16 of the workbook. Everyone clear on that? All right. Awesome. I'll see you guys Thursday then, 8 o'clock. Thank you guys.
Mind if we stay here?
I do not.
I mean, do you mind holding this Zoom until 9?
I think when I leave, the whole thing ends. So, sorry.
That's only
Yeah, we're.
that's only if you press.
No, 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 no,
Oh,
no.
actually, all right. I'll just leave the meeting open then.
End it.
It'll
End
be.
it. End it.
It'll. All right. I'll just end it. Okay. I'll see you guys Thursday. Bye. 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 Please do your homework.